Earth system cycles. Earth system cycles refer to the interconnected and dynamic processes that regulate the flow of energy, matter, and information within the Earth's various spheres, including the atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, and biosphere. These cycles play a crucial role in maintaining the balance and sustainability of the planet's ecosystems and influencing global climate patterns. One of the most well-known Earth system cycles is the water cycle, also known as the hydrological cycle. It involves the continuous movement of water between the Earth's surface, atmosphere, and underground reservoirs. The cycle starts with the evaporation of water from oceans, lakes, and rivers, driven by solar energy. The water vapor then condenses to form clouds, which eventually precipitate as rain or snow. This precipitation replenishes the surface water bodies and infiltrates into the ground to become groundwater, which can later resurface through springs or be extracted by plants through their roots. The water cycle is essential for sustaining life on Earth and for the distribution of water resources. Another crucial Earth system cycle is the carbon cycle, which regulates the distribution and cycling of carbon among the atmosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere, and geosphere. Carbon dioxide, CO2, is naturally released into the atmosphere through processes such as respiration, volcanic activity, and the combustion of fossil fuels. Plants and algae absorb CO2 through photosynthesis, converting it into organic matter and releasing oxygen. The organic matter is then consumed by animals, transferring carbon through the food chain. When organisms die, their remains can be buried and eventually transformed into fossil fuels over millions of years. Human activities, such as deforestation and the burning of fossil fuels, have disrupted the balance of the carbon cycle by releasing excessive amounts of CO2 into the atmosphere, leading to global climate change. Similarly, the nitrogen cycle plays a vital role in Earth's ecosystems. Nitrogen is an essential element for living organisms, and the nitrogen cycle involves its conversion between different chemical forms. Nitrogen gas, N2, makes up the majority of the Earth's atmosphere, but it is not directly usable by most organisms. Nitrogen-fixing bacteria convert atmospheric nitrogen into ammonium, NH4+, which can be absorbed by plants and incorporated into organic compounds. Animals obtain nitrogen by consuming plants or other animals. Decomposers break down organic matter and release ammonium back into the soil, which can be further transformed into nitrates, NO3, through nitrification. Nitrogen can also be returned to the atmosphere through denitrification, carried out by bacteria that convert nitrates back into nitrogen gas. Human activities, such as the use of synthetic fertilizers and the burning of fossil fuels, have greatly impacted the nitrogen cycle, leading to pollution and environmental degradation. Additionally, the phosphorus cycle is crucial for the growth and development of organisms. Phosphorus is an essential nutrient required for DNA, RNA, and ATP, adenosine triphosphate, synthesis. It is primarily found in rocks and sediments and is released into the environment through weathering. Plants absorb phosphorus from the soil and incorporate it into their tissues. When plants and animals die, phosphorus is returned to the soil through decomposition. Over geological timescales, phosphorus can be leached from rocks and sediments, ending up in rivers and eventually reaching the ocean. Human activities, such as the excessive use of phosphorus-based fertilizers in agriculture, can disrupt the phosphorus cycle and lead to nutrient pollution in water bodies. These are just a few examples of the Earth system cycles that are intricately interconnected and influence each other. Understanding these cycles is crucial for comprehending the functioning of our planet's ecosystems, predicting climate patterns, and managing environmental resources effectively. Human activities have significantly impacted these cycles, leading to environmental challenges such as climate change. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications.